Hey everyone, so it's been another beautiful day here in the Philippines. We've had no storm and I think the weather's improving, of course, right about the time we're about to go home. We've had a lot of hold up on this project because of weather. Now we're preparing to go home and wouldn't you know it, wouldn't you know it, uh, the weather improves. But we still have some time to get some more work done. We're not going home quite yet. Well, what we're working on now is something that's very vital to this property, and that is security. Um, Over at our existing house, we have a full CCTV camera system, and it's remote view. We can operate it from any cell phone, laptop, anywhere we have internet, and we can review the footage. It has I don't remember how big the hard drive is. It's many terabytes. It's quite the size hard drive, and it stores a lot of high definition video for all the cameras. So those little girls, they walk by just smiling. The kids are here, they're so adorable. Their little faces just glowing at the corner talking to the camera. And so nevertheless, we have that camera system over there. We have one camera that's up on a pole high up on top of the house on this long stainless steel pole. It's like a 2.5-inch diameter pole, and that camera turns 360 degrees. It has infrared. It has an amazing zoom. I mean, amazing zoom. It has tracking that will follow an object. Many features. And so I thought, as we're getting more stuff here and things going on, it's best that I watch after this property. The family's all right there to watch after that over there. I mean, they're right there. But over here, this camera can be my eyes and ears. So also I bought some more of those solar lights. I bought 4. And I'm going to use one more of them here on the property, and I'm taking 3 of them to Texas with me. I looked at them on eBay, and man, they were like over double the price. And I mean, over double the price. And they kind of lied, because what is a 60-watt light, and I know it's a 60-watt light, on eBay, those sellers there selling that same light, they're calling it a 600-watt. Come on, man. Y'all do the same thing with stereo equipment and amps and all. Y'all be saying these speakers are these massive wattages and these amps. Man, you'll call something a 1,000-watt amp that's a 100-watt amp. That's just one thing with them Chinese sellers. But some reason though, the company's here. It's that same product, but they're telling the truth. And 90 watts or 60 watts, and these boxes are marked 60 watts on them, and they're sold as 60 watt. But the same ones, I looked them up, matched them on eBay, and they were lying and inflating the numbers. Shame on them. So I said, you know what, we always go back to Texas with empty luggage. We're bringing stuff here and we don't bring a whole lot back. Usually we're bringing things from the US that we want here, or for the building project, or maybe some pasta lubong that we're giving to family or friends or something. So we have a lot of empty bags that usually go back to Texas with us. And so as I'm showing you this, let me give you a little journey here. So I had planters built down the sides of my back drive that is like my ramp going out to the beach for the boat being right here. I had these planters built here. We put drain pipes down at the bottom. I don't know if you can see those little round holes, so that if this floods in here, anything, the water can go out. You can see the pipe in here on the back side. We haven't filled these yet, so that they can always drain and not flood with water. So that's that. And then I had these planter boxes built down the sides, and there's nothing in them right now because we did not want to plant anything in these until we were here on more long stay and the house complete and all, because right now I'm having a little issue with some naughty children. There's some naughty children coming from down the beach over this way. There's some naughty children right there on the other side of my bamboo fence. And children are children. They're destructive. I've already encountered a piece of concrete thrown on top of the roof where my solar panels are, which has got me pretty freaked out. I caught those little kids out here the other day with some glass bottles, smashing them here on my boat ramp. And one of my own little nephews was right in the midst of them there. And when I stepped out, I don't think they knew I was here. They all tried to run and duck and hide. But it is kids being kids. This isn't a Philippine thing. This is around the world. Young little kids just do little kid things. But we've got that pandan that's planted here that's trying to grab roots, and we got coconuts here growing, trying to replant. And they had all my bamboo pulled up from around my pandan and was destroying it. And I said, you know, that's one of the reasons we're trying to get this camera up. So at some point in time, when things are more secure here, we will be planting plants in here, but I don't want them destroyed by these naughty little children. So if I can get these children doing bad things on video and on still shot, and I can take it to our barangay captain, she can address it with their parents, and maybe we can get this resolved. Recently they were climbing over the fence coming into the subdivision here. I've got to get those things resolved in order for us to be able to have a nice, beautiful place here that not only us but the whole community can be proud of. All I can see her coming across there carrying me food, and I can see ears on top of her head.
It's so hot.
Coming across there, it looked like Mickey Mouse coming. That's why I was smiling. I could just see those on top of her head. Woo, what do we have here? Man, that's what I'm talking about right there. You see guys, how she poisons me, huh? I'm trying to keep this hot, sexy figure.
Where's the word hot there? What kind of hot? Super hot or hot sauce? Or
burnt. Scorched. and look what she does to me. Man, oh man. So so funny with that on your head. So it was a beautiful day. Melinda just comes. All she's gonna do is cut lemongrass, malunggay, and go cook. Whoa! Damn. Boom, here it goes again. Will she cook dinner? That is the question. It's like, where's Waldo? Where's Waldo? Are you scared of lightning, Joe? Huh? Are you scared of the lightning?
I'm catching scars.